Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Claude AI not responding problem. If Claude AI is not replying, loading very slowly, or seems stuck, there are a couple of simple things you can check first. In this walkthrough, we'll go through basic browser troubleshooting that can often resolve the issue quickly. Start by opening your browser. Once the browser is open, the first thing to do is check your internet speed using a speed test. This is important because if your connection is slow or unstable, Claude may fail to load responses properly or may appear to stop working altogether. Run the sample speed test and wait for the results. Pay attention to whether the connection seems unusually slow, inconsistent, or interrupted. If the speed looks poor, you may want to stabilize your internet connection before trying Claude again. Even a brief connection issue can affect AI tools that depend on continuous communication with their servers. If your internet seems fine, the next method is to clear your browser data. To do that, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser window. This menu gives you access to browser settings and maintenance options that can help fix loading or response issues. From the menu, click on Settings. After that, look to the left side navigation panel and select Security and Privacy. This section contains options related to stored browser data, permissions, and browsing history. Once you are in Security and Privacy, click on the option to delete browsing data. Clearing browsing data can help remove cached files or corrupted session data that may be interfering with how Claude loads or responds. This is a common fix when a website behaves unexpectedly even though your internet is working normally. When the Delete Browsing Data window appears, choose All Time as the time range. This makes sure the browser removes all stored data that could potentially be causing the issue rather than only clearing recent activity. Then click Delete to confirm. Depending on your browser and how much stored data you have, this may take a few moments. After the deletion is complete, reopen the Claude page and try again. These steps are simple, but they are often effective. Checking your internet speed helps rule out network issues, and clearing browsing data can resolve browser-related problems that prevent Claude from responding correctly. If needed, repeat the process carefully to make sure each setting is selected properly. That's it for this guide. You should now have a better chance of getting Claude AI working normally again.